From a distance, our planet looks like a serene, blue marble floating in the vast stillness of space. But a closer look reveals a growing, invisible threat encircling us, a cloud of human-made debris that could change everything. This is the reality of orbital congestion. Thousands of objects, from defunct satellites to tiny fragments, traveling at lethal speeds. At 7.8 kilometers per second, even a simple frozen bolt becomes a kinetic bullet with immense destructive power. A jagged fragment of a solar panel or a single fleck of paint can pierce through the toughest spacecraft hulls. Our journey into the cosmos began with a single spark, but today, low Earth orbit is more crowded than ever before. Low Earth orbit, or LEO, is the busiest zone, home to the International Space Station and vital communication networks. Higher up lies the geostationary orbit, where massive weather and telecommunications satellites remain fixed over specific points on Earth. Since 1957, we have launched thousands of rockets, leaving behind a trail of spent stages and decommissioned hardware. When two objects collide in this high-speed environment, the result is a catastrophic cloud of unpredictable fragments. This leads us to a terrifying scientific concept proposed by NASA scientist Donald Kessler, the Kessler Syndrome. It's a domino effect. One collision creates more debris, which then causes more collisions, creating a self-sustaining cascade of destruction. If this cascade reaches a tipping point, certain orbits could become completely unusable for generations. Imagine a world where global communications are cut off, GPS fails, and weather forecasting becomes impossible. The very technology we rely on for modern life is at risk of being pulverized by our own space-age trash. Current spacecraft, like the International Space Station, must constantly monitor for incoming threats. Mission controllers on the ground track thousands of objects, larger than a soft ball, to coordinate avoidance maneuvers. But for the millions of smaller particles, there is no warning. We rely on heavy shielding to withstand the impacts. The energy involved is staggering. A tiny speck of dust hitting at orbital speeds carries the force of a bowling ball dropped from a skyscraper. Protecting our future in space requires more than just avoidance. It requires active cleaning. Scientists are developing innovative ways to capture and remove space junk from orbit. Experimental solutions like debris capturing nets are being tested to ensnare large pieces of junk. Others propose using giant harpoons or laser-based systems to nudge debris into the atmosphere where it will burn up. International cooperation is essential. We need new regulations to ensure that every mission has a plan for its end of life. Sustainable space exploration is not just a dream. It is a necessity if we wish to continue our journey to the stars. We must act now as stewards of our orbital environment, ensuring the shield we build around Earth is one of protection, not destruction. The path to the stars must remain open. Let's protect the final frontier for generations to come.